Let's talk about the GroupBy operator in C#, specifically about its return type and the capabilities of the object it returns. This line of code is fetching the sequence of books from some mysterious data source. But it is not that mysterious. That is a helper class that serves some demo book objects. So, we plan to group the books somehow. It all begins by applying the GroupBy operator to a sequence. Now, the sequence. This variable is effectively an array of book objects. But the GroupBy operator only cares to see its IEnumerable book interface. GroupBy applies to the generic IEnumerable. Then comes the key selection. This lambda selects an equatable object that the GroupBy will use. Each group will consist of objects having the same key, the author's initial letter in this example. So, the question is, what is this type here? It is a sequence of groups, to begin with. A group is an object implementing the generic IGrouping interface, the first type specifying the key string here and the second type specifying the elements, books here. The GroupBy operator returns a sequence of groupings. That is the first revelation. But there are more on the way. We have started from the sequence of books and ended up with the sequence of groupings, right? That means that we can continue building the LINQ query. For example, we can sort these groups. Of course, the underlying object is the grouping. Now we need the sorting key. We can use the groups key. The IGrouping generic interface exposes the key property getter. Please observe that OrderBy will return an object which implements the same interface. We are still operating on the sequence of groupings. We could iterate this sequence if we wanted. That will grant us a closer look into the structure of a grouping. The groups key is just a string in this example. We are free to process it like any other string. And the rest? How about the books contained in this group? Where are they? That is the most interesting part because a grouping object also implements the IEnumerable interface of its element type. Each group of books is also a sequence of books in this code. Why not iterate through the group with another for each loop? This is the principal method to get hold of every single object from the sequence, all objects grouped and processed together with others that share the same key. Let me run the application so that you can see what these nested loops are printing. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and use the knowledge of GroupBy you have attained while watching this video.